Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at a program where I've used an endpoint from Nutrition IX, and basically you enter, for example, I ate a banana for breakfast, and then you enter time zone, for example, IST, and then it gives you a full nutrient breakdown of it. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see another program. At the top is you list what we're going to do today, then the rules, and last the program. So today we're going to be using a program or using an endpoint from Nutrition IX. So here we have, basically you just have to enter the query and then the time zone. So you enter what you ate for which meal and then your time zone, and then you'll get a full nutrient breakdown of it. So first I'll just run it. So here I have please enter query, so then I'm going to enter, for example, I ate a banana for breakfast, and then your time zone, so IST. So then here it gives you the full breakdown of it. So here it's given all the full breakdown of everything. And if I enter something else that's not like that, so basically if I enter something junk, for example, I ate a burger for lunch, and then IST, and the food name is burger, and then it keeps giving you all the information. So for example, the serving unit is a sandwich, and so on. It basically gives you all of the information. So here I've imported request, then query is equal to please enter your query, and then the same with the time zone. So here I have headers, so here I have my X app ID, and then X app key, and then the remote user ID. So this is basically an app ID that they provide, and then this is my key. The X remote user ID is set to 0 because in development mode it's supposed to be set to 0. So it's basically another method of authentication, and it's a unique identifier to represent the end user who is accessing the Nutrition IX API. And these three, the app ID, the app key, and the remote user ID, they must always be put in the headers and not in the body, as it says in the documentation. Then here I have the body. Oops. So just open it again. So here, yeah. Then here I have the query is equal to query, and then the time zone is equal to time zone. And then here I have request equal to request.post, and here I have my URL. Headers is equal to headers, and then JSON is equal to body. So then the headers is equal to headers as usual, and then the JSON is equal to body so that it's known that I'm sending it as JSON, and that the request is coming in that format, because there are plenty of others except for JSON. So then I have to make sure that it knows. Otherwise, if I, for example, take this away, so then when I run it, then please enter your query. So I'll just stick with I ate a banana for breakfast, and then time zone is IST. So then basically it needs the query, because obviously I've not sent it in. But then there's nothing such as body over here. So then if I, for example, say body is equal to body, then here it says unexpected argument. So now if I run it, so then please enter your query. So and then please enter your time zones, and it throws a whole line of errors. So basically it's supposed to be as JSON so that it knows the format, basically. And then I just have request.text. So then now it works fine. So I ate enough for breakfast, and then I see. So then here I have the result again.